Back again, not over yet. We've got a night tour. So that one fee that you pay gets you pretty much a 2-year access. So you can come in limited times, and it includes you staying in the caravan park or the overflow park. Everybody says that the night tours are really awesome to see. They light everything up with all their special lights. They say that it's, yeah, definitely something you have to do while you're here. So we're here and we're gonna do it. Really looking forward to it. Should be really cool at night. It'll be a whole different place.
It's part of the wall that fell.
How amazing is that?
Look at that.
It's like 100 years old, man.
I know. Look at that. Ancient rock.
So this rock is from the wall, and it came down in Cyclone Larry in 2006.
Yeah, and the wall was built in 1930.
And the wall was originally built in 1930 by Jose, I reckon. That's
Pretty
what a cool little gift.
Yeah, it's like almost 100 years old.
Morning, guys. We are all packed up from staying at the overflow paddock at the Paronella Park. We haven't decided exactly how far we want to travel or where we're going to go today, but we've got a few ideas that we're going to have a look at on the way out of here. So all we know really is that on Monday we want to be at Early Beach. So we've got about 6 hours between here and there. We've got about 3 days to travel. Today being Saturday, Saturday night, Sunday night. So we've got about 2 days to travel the 6 hours. So we'll do 3 and 3, which is pretty easy really. I think we've got a couple of places that we were sort of looking at last night between here and Townsville. Or around the Townsville area, and maybe just out of Townsville. Probably not that keen to go right into Townsville, but we'll probably stay somewhere around Townsville. There's a national park there and some swimming holes and another water slide, natural water slide that we liked the look of. We really loved the last one, so we'll have a look around there. We're all packed up, ready to go. Kids are in. Bianca's done an awesome job inside the van, and Ollie and I have got all the outside all packed up. You can see yesterday we gave it a bit of a wipe down. Probably don't look up there, but all that window. I just basically had the CRC out with the rag, nice microfiber cloth, and went over all the paint and everything. We need to do the back because that's gross. So if we come across a car wash today, we'll probably go to the car wash. This side's still filthy. Cool. We're going to hit the road in a sec, and we'll let you know where our next stop is when we work it out. Cool? Ready?
Yep.
Ready. Ready to go. What a cool little waterfall. It'd almost be a water slide. If that was a tiny bit bigger, that'd be an awesome water slide because it's super slippery going down. Yeah. And this is all one giant piece of bedrock as well. You see, all the bedrock comes up here and then the water comes down. Really cool with if you had a donut, like an inflatable donut or something, you'd be able to float down here. How cool would the donut be? You'd be able to like sit in here and then it'd take you down here, you'd be down here, and you'd either go that way or you'd go that way, and then down there and down the creek.
It would be cool if we could go on that rock over there.
Oh yeah, just here.
No, not that one.
Oh, down there? Yeah, we can go have a look down there in a minute.
And
We'll wait for Counter and Mum.
Over there will be cool.
Yeah, nice and calm in here. Can you see any fish?
I saw a tiny one.
So we're just walking up to the base of the waterfall at the moment. There's a day use area down below where they're swimming in. You can, go along the river there. And then up the top here, I'm not sure if you can see behind me, but there's a massive big beautiful green grassed area for camping. I'm going to go along the boardwalk here and have a look at the lookout and have a look at the waterfall. Sounds like there's a fair bit of water on there at the moment too. No swimming up near the waterfall though, they said. Oh really?
Yeah.
Look at the size of these boulders down here, wow. Everything's massive. You can just see some beautiful little swimming holes down here as well, but it does say no swimming up here. So go up and have a look at the waterfall. Looks like there's a bit of water. That.
There's a mini waterfall over there as well. And another one.
That looks deep, I reckon. I reckon you could bomb in there and you wouldn't touch the bottom from the top.
Maybe even a pin dive. So, jump from all the way up there.
Guys are like rocking. What a cool place. It's a massive, looks like a massive deep pool there where the water probably came off here. Pretty big amount of water coming off there as well. Cool. Just pulled over for some lunch in Ingham, and we've stopped at a little fish and chip shop called the Wild Prawn, local produce. Wild local prawns it's called. Have a look at these. Yum, delicious, tastes fresh. It was a bit expensive as well.
$60.
So I think it's worth it though. It's nice.
Look at the little waterfall over there.
How cool is that? Do you reckon Ollie should jump in with his jocks?
Yes. Yes, yes, yes.
Scaredy cat, scaredy cat.
Ollie, choose for there. I don't want to.
Choose there, choose there.
No.
Pulled into a place called Rolling Stone Caravan Park this evening. some sort of a last minute idea, last minute booking. It seemed pretty central for all the stuff we wanted to do around the area, so it's actually quite a nice place. It's massive. They've got all these water frontage sites. We're here for 2 days. I'll chuck the drone up and show you how big the place is and what they've got here. They've got catch and release trout, little fishing spots that you can back your van onto. We're not on there because we were a super last minute booking, so they sort of put us where we could, but in saying that, we've actually got a really big site and it's just off the beach as well. So we're at the beach about 1 caravan width that way, ton of caravan sites that way, massive jumpy pillow, we've got Bianca, we've got playground, got a huge pool with a little waterfall as well. They've got live music tonight, they've got a movie for the kids, they've got a pizza night, big pizza oven, they've got a bar. So it's all happening tonight, Saturday. And a bouncy pillow, yeah. Saturday night, party night, so we'll have a few drinks and a bit of a relax. Did a bit of driving today and a bit of exploring as well. Tomorrow we're going to head out and do some exploring again and come back here and relax again tomorrow afternoon and then keep heading a little bit south. But we'll check back in a bit later tonight.
You are a pill, I swallow it. Take me away to Neverland, where colors fade my disbelief and make me forget my memories.